special about a bust down the middle. It's the bust. I said I want to bust it down the middle. Today I'm doing a V-part wig from Myfirstwig.com. If you want to see this Morticia themed bust down the middle look, stay tuned. But first, let's get into this unboxing. So Myfirstwig sent me over a V-part wig. This V-part wig is a little bit different in that its claim to fame, we'll say, is to be that it's supposed to help you with protecting your edges. They also sent me a couple of gifts. They gave me some edge and wig tamer to help with your flyaways, a comb, and some clips. I actually do love these clips and love to keep them. Now, this particular unit is 20 inches. It's a middle part V-part wig with lace, FLORA Indian Yaki hair. The hair came, it was very well packaged. The hair is very minimal on shedding, and this works really well if you are natural or not. It's a really great option.
Well, you had me from the start. By the way you stared, the way you wrote up on me, yeah. Man, I felt your energy. Wasn't used to being loved and treated differently, yeah. But something went wrong, the signals got crossed, and now we're on completely different pages. Let's go where we were, where no one gets hurt. Baby, keep it right there, don't you stress the flow. You're trying to pick the pace up, we should take it slow. Baby, keep your focus, don't you make me change my mind. If you love me, baby, don't you switch up the vibe. Baby, don't you, baby, don't you, baby, don't you switch up the vibe. Baby, don't you, baby, don't you, baby, don't you switch up the vibe. Boy, you take me on a trip, always up and down and back and forth in merry-go-round. I just wanna get it right, but when you go left, I'm stuck here feeling left behind. Cause something went wrong, the signals got crossed, and now we're going different directions. Let's go where we were, where no one gets hurt. Baby, keep it right there, don't you stress the flow. Trying to pick the pace up, we should take it slow. Baby, keep your focus, don't you make me change my mind. If you love me, baby, don't you switch up the vibe. Baby, don't you, baby, don't you, baby, don't you switch up the vibe. Baby, don't you, baby, don't you, baby, don't you switch up the vibe. If you love me just like you say you do, don't kill the good vibes. If you kill them, you're gonna kill us too. Baby, keep it right there, don't you stress the flow. You're trying to pick the pace up, we should take it slow. Baby, keep your focus, don't you make me change my mind. If you love me, baby, don't you switch up the vibe. Baby, don't you, baby, don't you, baby, don't you switch up the vibe. Baby, don't you, baby, don't you, baby, don't you switch up the vibe.
Left it to the bank like ha 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 ha. Go. Left it to the bank like ha 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 ha. I got it in tens, 20, 50, hundreds, tens, 20, 50, hundreds, tens, 20, 50, hundreds, tens, 20, 50, hundreds. Left it to the bank like pedal to the floor, need no brake lights. In the dark, watch me make light. I'm a star, got no stage fright. Please don't get me mad, I'm a nice guy. My baby say I'm cute, yeah, I'm type 5. I be waking up when you go night-night. In the got it in tens, 20, 50, hundreds, tens, 20, 50, hundreds, tens, 20, 50, hundreds, tens, 20, 50, hundreds. I get it, I flip it and continue. I've been going dumb, I've been going mental. Going up, I'm on another level. All black clothes like a medal. Little this and this, little Ricky Rick. It's my grandmama, I'm her Nicky Nick. I just wanna love, but I've been hit or miss. I might up and leave, never take a pic. Laugh it to the bank like ha 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 ha. Hundreds, tens, 20, 50, hundreds, tens, 20, 50, hundreds, tens, 20, 50, hundreds.
I absolutely love this hair. Okay, it is a V-part wig with very realistic edges. It's all about a protective style to protect your edges. It is a Yaki texture hair, very close to my natural African American hair, so that gives us a good blend. I wanted to do something different instead of a side part with layers and just do my Morticia down the middle. I love the hair, didn't have to do much to it. It came ready to go. As you could see previously in the unboxing, it did have a little small section that I was able to cut through. I decided not to do any baby hairs just because I don't got no forehead and I don't need baby hairs in my eyebrows. So this is our final look and I love it. I will put all of the details down below in the description box. Thank you to Myfirstwig.com for collaborating with this beautiful unit. I'm loving these natural edges. Not too much stress, no headache. It's a yes for me. Rich auntie vibes. I love it.